Not all data comes neatly packaged in Excel and CSV. Sometimes it's wrapped in tags or nested in curly braces. XML and JSON are the two most commonly used formats in APIs and web-based technologies. Knowing how to import them into Power BI can open doors to powerful real-world data sources. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to bring these formats into Power BI step by step with live examples. Let's dive straight in. Let's look at this XML file first. This file contains data about some employees in an organization. Every down arrow indicates an employee record. There are details around employee ID, name, salary, start date, and their department. And if you scroll down, we'll see there are 8 records. Let's import this file. I will click on Get Data. Select XML and click on Connect. Power BI has loaded the data, and as you select the checkbox next to employee, you will see the data. Since the number of rows is just 8, the entire data is visible in the preview. Click on Load. Go to the table view and you can see the entire data as a table. So this was very simple. Let's look at the second example, which is loading a JSON file. If you look at this file, it contains details about cars. We will follow the same steps. Click on Get Data and select JSON. Click on the button Connect. This opens up Power Query Editor. I have other videos where I explain Power Query Editor in detail, but for now, all we need to do is click on Close and Apply, and we get the data in Power BI. So that's how you load XML and JSON file. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you'd like to learn more about Power BI and Excel, consider subscribing our channel Analytics Success. Thanks for watching.